guys are cute. Hi. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on this beautiful, sunny, warm day. We are hitting summer temperatures this weekend, so we decided to head out for an overnight and see what we can see, explore a tiny little bit of an area that we've yet to go to, and see where we can find a spot to camp with hopefully some epic views. Thanks for joining, and we'll talk to you soon.
So 22 degrees up at, I can't tell our elevation because Guy is cutting out. Oh, 971 meters is what it's saying, and we're climbing. So it's probably pretty toasty at home.
Oh yeah. Probably a good choice to find somewhere a little cooler and less busy.
Wow, it's a less busy part. Okay, a lot of altitude fast.
We are. It's looking pretty dry too
For May? Yeah, no kidding, right?
Yeah. To be this dusty, there hasn't been any precipitation for a bit.
God, no. This is bad. This is almost like I said, like Whipsaw when we went there.
Yeah.
Beautiful though.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Always nice to see new things.
Yeah. I'm excited to see where we end up.
This trip, we don't have any destination in mind. But that's one of the coolest things about exploring new places. It forces you to slow down, take a look around, and use whatever navigational tools you need.
Because if I'm looking in the map book correctly, we want to keep to the left.
To the left?
Everything's to the left to get to where...
That's to the right. I think we're coming up this way, right?
Yeah, but we're trying to get here, right?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, flashlight. Oh, where is it?
So to the left, I would think.
According to the map book, it looks like we're supposed to go left here, I think.
Yeah, it's just a giant maze of trails, so... Okay, well, we'll go left. That's what I was thinking, too.
Now, that's not a bad view.
Wow.
Wow, that opened up, eh? Look at that stick he's got.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't see this coming.
This is incredible.
Yeah, this is nice.
Wow.
That is some fire.
Can you believe these views through the burned trees? It's crazy.
On the sides, or unless
It's weird, eh?
this was a really old burn, and that's a really like,
They've been logging the burn though.
So I wonder if those are like maybe this happened like 10-15 years ago, and the green trees are the little seedlings
That could be, yeah, you could be right.
So as we explored this FSR, and with an electromagnetic storm forecasted that would hopefully allow us to see some northern lights, our new goal was to get away from any light pollution and gain altitude.
And to your left.
Left or right?
Let's try right.
Looks like it opens up there.
It looks like it opens up. And it doesn't look very promising over here, actually.
No, it's like we're in.
I don't know if this area is looking too promising.
Guess it goes up and to the left, maybe?
Yeah, I don't see any huts so far.
No, we would have saw something by now. Maybe we should go back and take that other road. All right, try this road.
A lot less green so far. But we regained the
The view again.
Yeah. go. Wow, that's
Battling snow, Sherman.
deep for...
That's deep.
Wow. Interesting.
I probably should have went the other way.
Is it solid? It seems solid, no?
I'm gonna have to take a run at it.
Oh. No, maybe not.
Breaking trail.
Breaking trail.
That's deep.
It is deep.
So as I'm trying to get through this super sloppy stuff that literally felt like someone dumped a big ass Slurpee on the trail, as everybody knows, if you have traction control on your vehicle, it cuts the power when your tires spin. So this whole series was a little sillier than it had to be. All because I forgot to turn off the traction control.
Just about there.
You got this. Nice.
Definitely a lot better with traction control off. Whoa, 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 whoa. No.
Too close to the edge.
Yeah, we're way close to the edge here. All right.
Yeah, there's not a lot of room between the snow and
No. Because even the mud's giving way here a bit. Feel it sliding?
the... Yep.
This is gonna be a no-go, Dave.
Oh, does it get worse?
It's just the fact that the mud is giving way on my left side towards the side.
Can you see around the bend?
Yeah, it's dried around the bend.
Let me try something. I'm gonna go on the right.
It gets pretty deep on the right, doesn't it, down there?
It really does. Let him try though. He's got lockers.
Question is, how far does the snow go?
Well, that's the thing. I don't know. But when I was trying to saddle it, I thought, I'll just keep on one side. And then the mud started sliding towards the edge and the truck kicked over. So I was like, not worth it to me.
So after calling no joy on this route, we decided to take a fork that we had saw just down the road a bit. But at this altitude, I'm wondering if we're going to start to see a pattern.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's probably just gonna get worse.
No, I've got full snow ahead of me, like deep.
Oh, so close.
Yeah, that might be it. Gotta go to where are we sitting at? Plan E.
Well, we can find somewhere with a nice view. That's not going to disappoint for sure.
That
Look how deep that is.
That's deep, yeah. Oh man, we were close.
But you know what? That's not a bad thing. We've
No.
had adventure today, right? So,
Exactly. I'm not disappointed by any stretch.
no, neither am I.
Turnaround number 3?
Yeah, it's, you know what I was thinking? There's that road that I think you want to have a view.
For the Northern Lights.
The Northern Lights, we don't see them very often. I think, yeah, I would really like to stay somewhere with a view.
So from higher up, Dave noticed this lower road that led to a clearing. He really thought it could be a cool potential campsite, so we thought we'd check it out.
not even a road anymore. It's more grass than road.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy. Lots of different scads, so there's definitely stuff happening.
Turnaround number 4.
Definitely turnaround number 4.
So when we got to the clearing, we realized it wasn't going to work for us. It was one of those scenarios where it looked really good from far, but it was far from good.
Well, if we go to that very, very first spot we saw and camp there, it's a shorter way out in the morning.
That is true.
So we made our way back to a spot we kind of all had in our back pocket. For me, it was kind of cool. I kind of had my heart set on this place. But as we arrived, Dave noticed a lower road, so he went around to look at it. Myself, I wanted to take the more direct route. Once we got to the bottom, Joanne and I quickly realized there is no way morally we can put a campfire on the spot. Everything we need is up top. We can make it work.
And we're definitely not going to see any traffic.
No, I'm not worried about that actually.
And there's proper rock for proper fire pit, so it's safer.
Yeah, that's...
Like to put a fire on this grass, not cool. Clouds look wicked. I hope they go away though.
I know. I was like, they're all coming in right now. I was like, what the hell?
We definitely won't see rain, but I want to see the lights if we get them.
We should get them.
Ooh,
The fridge doesn't like being on that angle. You hear that noise?
Yep,
This is our home.
yep. And we'll open up to that, which is not shabby at all,
That's not bad, I would say.
I would say. I will not be upset waking up in the morning, coming out of the tent and seeing that view. All right. This, my friends, is the spot. After many turnarounds, many options that we looked at, we've settled here. And I think we should be fine. If we see the northern lights, we have a clear view. And look at these mountains. This is stunning. I think we will just take a few minutes and relax, and then we'll set up camp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and a beer review, which has been a long time since I've actually done one. Today we have Mountain View Brewing Company, the colors of pomegranate. So apparently this company is from Hope Princeton Way in Hope, BC. This is a sour, so let's see how this goes. Oh, that's freaking hot.
Looks very pinky from here.
It's very,
How's the nose?
it smells, I do smell the fruitiness. I smell the pomegranate. Ready for this? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really good.
And Joanne will be checking out very soon after this one.
It is not overly sour, which I was worried about, because you know how you can drink sours only so much. This is good. You guys definitely, if you are into pomegranate and raspberry, you need to try this one out. Mountain View. Delicious.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming along. We hope you enjoyed just the little video we put together. It was just a quick getaway. It was something we wanted to see the Northern Lights, and it looks like we were a day late, but the spot was incredible. No regrets at all. The area is incredible. We got to do some fun stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next week.